Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to print out on the console by using Java. Okay, let's get started. We're on Eclipse IDE and I'm going to create a new project. New Java project, and I'm going to call it Hello World 1. Hello World 1 is going to be our project name because I have already created this one, but let me delete it for you. And then all right, so we have created our Java project successfully, and it is coming with GRE system library JDK23, and we got our source file, but I'm going to delete this one. You can delete that one too, you don't need that one. So if you're working on Eclipse IDE, first of all we need to create a package. Okay, package, no, not this one, sorry, new package. Okay, the new package is going to be hello. Today I think everything is gonna be about hello because that's the first step of learning the Java. Okay, inside of, okay, this point is this here is important. So after we create the package, guys, we need to create the class in this specific package. Okay, new and then class. So let's call the class name world. Like I said, everything is gonna be about hello world. All right, so we successfully created our class and the package. So when you look at this page here, as you see, whatever the package name we gave, it's coming up here. Whatever the class name we are giving it, it's coming up here because public class. So whenever you create a class, there is gonna be an option. Actually, let me show it to you too. So create a class, and then I'm gonna give it the name hello too, right? Okay, so here modifiers is telling you that, hey, what kind of class you are trying to create. What is it? So it can be public, it can be abstract, it can be final, it can be interface too, but I don't see interface option here anymore. I'll figure it out. But in this case, it is going to be a public here, right? And I forgot to click this one here. What is this? Who knows what is this? This is really important for Java. Okay, which method stubs would you like to create? So I'm going to click this one. Public static void main string args. What is this? I'm going to explain in a second. So I'm gonna click this because whenever I click it and create my, you can delete this too, create my class, it is coming with public static void main. So public static void main is a starting point of an application, starting point of a Java, so we can execute Java. That is what it is, and it's a method. It's a pre-made method for Java developers. So whatever we are going to do, we are going to do inside of this. Inside of this. So this is our main method, and what are we going to do today? We are going to print out something simple thing. So what do we need to do? I want you guys type sys and then control plus space. Okay, so this option is coming, control plus s, control plus s, calling our sys out, system.out.println. Okay, so I call the method which is already prepared for us. So this is system.out.println. Println is a pre method. Okay, so this method is actually accepting string. How do I know that? I will show you guys. So I'm gonna print hello world. This. Okay. So let's see if it is working. Right click, run Java application. Always say now. Okay. All right. As you guys see, this is our console on the Eclipse IDE. This is our console. Hello world. We are printing out something. It's nice, right? So you're doing something here and it's happening here. Okay. How do I know? This method is accepting a string. And what is string? You don't even know maybe what is string, but some of you guys might know. But I'm going to click, I'm going to hit CTRL and then see, whenever I hover over, it is highlighting it. Okay, println. So what is this println? Public void println. So this is a pre-made method for us to be able to print out something on the console. So what is it? Okay, it's saying, hey, I'm creating this method, and this method is gonna take parameter. What is the parameter type? It's a string x. What is x? Whatever I put in the method. Okay, the rest of them I don't care. Whoever is created Java, data types, right? So if get class equals print stream dot class. Okay, I will explain everything, but and then it is saying if this is happening. So this is a actually control flow, right? If this is happening, then do this. If it is not happening and there's something else is happening, then do this. Okay, that's what's happening. But I don't want to give you too much information today. Today we are learning System.out.println. This is the first class of the Java. So I'm gonna do it again, but faster, right? And then click System.out.println. So whatever you guys gonna print here, you guys can print. Again, I'm gonna print that I am studying Java every day. Okay, I'm gonna run it again for you guys. Run Java application. I don't want it to be asked again. Okay, so as you guys see, whatever you do, whatever the string is giving. So I'm gonna talk about, of course, what is the data types. What is the data type? Whatever the variables, what kind of variable we have in Java, I will explain those. I will explain those in a different video. But today, like I said, we will be learning only this. So System.out.println again. As you guys see, in actually whenever I do that, the first option should be the one that I'm looking for, but first option is actually being SYS error. I don't care about that. So if you try to give some numbers, let's see if it is going to work. Let's see. Select all always. Okay. So as you guys see, you can print it out. You can even print the numbers. And also, I'm gonna try a different way. So I'm giving you the number and also typing something. So you can give it a number, but you cannot give him a sentence like this. If you are typing a sentence, you have to put it in a string, but it's still not working. Why? Because you cannot combine two different data type in one single line. So what do I mean is you need to concat that. You need concatenation. We call it concatenation. You need to concat that, but I'm not going to do that here. I'm just giving you guys some option that I want you to see that what's happening with the System.out.println. So, well, I mean, I'm not gonna use println, right? I'm just gonna print it. So what's gonna happen if I just print it? What's gonna happen if I just print it? Let's see. It's an interesting topic, right? Here we go. So it is actually, so here, I'm gonna, but why it's not happening? It shouldn't be typing it on. I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, yes. So now what's happening is lane is telling him that, hey, print me on a different lane. But if you're just printing it, it's gonna be on the same lane. It's gonna be on the same line, actually, not the lane. Why am I saying lane? But it's gonna be on the same line, right? So that's a different thing. Okay, I think we got this right. Whenever we click CTRL space, it's gonna pop up here, and then we are going to click, and then whatever we are trying to print out, we can print out this way. So my purpose is to show this. This is very useful. We are going to learn something, some automation, maybe some Java processes, right? During the processes, to be able to analyze what's happening with our code, we are going to print them out. Because this is the step-by-step, line by line coding, right? Line by line coding, and you want us be able to see actually what's happening in the previous step, what's happening in the previous step. So maybe you do some math, but what's happening, what is the out, the result of the math, right? Or do you want to see? If you want to see that, and then you might want to actually print it out with the system.println, right? So also, in the programming languages. So let's say you wanna something comment out, right? So if you wanna comment out this one, here you go. You can use two slashes, right? Two slash is going to actually comment out this code here. Okay, I'm gonna see. I'm studying Java every day, but this option hello world is not printing out anymore because we just commented out. And in this case, sometimes actually we might want to take our notes, take some notes here, right? Take some notes here, and I don't want to, this is not going to affect my code, right? This is not going to affect my code. So maybe you want to do something else. This and I want to see. I want to see how do we do that. So probably we are doing it like this, and then, or maybe I am doing it in a different way. As you guys see, oh okay, so I just want to show you guys that how we do this. Okay, so whenever you do this, so forward slash and then star and then click enter, just telling you, hey, if you're trying to actually comment out multiple lines, then you can do it this way. Type something here, type something here, type something here, type something here, and whatever you want to do, right? It is giving you that option too. Okay, I think so. Let me explain this. If you're a really beginner, really beginner, you have to be careful about the brackets. This is actually Java, and Java works with the breakers, but Python doesn't work with the breakers. And also, Java types programming languages like a JavaScript, TypeScript also works with the brackets too. But in this case, I want you to guys understand what are we doing here. So this is a method, right? Public static void main method is actually a starting point of an application. I mean Java, and whatever we are doing, as you guys see, we are doing inside of the main method, right? Whatever we are doing inside of the main method, because we can only execute our Java code inside of the main method, and also it is accepting string args, arguments, and also this is a string array. It is accepting string args. I will explain this method in the future, but I'm generally trying to give you an idea how the programming languages are working. So here, like I said, we talked about it. Package hello public class. We created a class, and inside of the class we are calling main method, and this is a pre-made method for us, right? And also inside of this we are coding something, and we are actually printing out on the console, right? This is what's happening here. um, Also, if you guys wonder like what is main method, you can control and I'm not able to go there. I don't know why. String, okay, string args. It is taking me actually here public. So this is interface, yes, public final, because public final class. This is probably interface, should be interface for a package. Here, hello, and I want to see actually, I'm not able to go here. Maybe next time I will show you guys, but in this case I'm not able to go there. So this is all about it. If you guys have any question, please comment it out. Please if you guys like the video, if you guys like the content of the video, please don't forget to subscribe and comment, and also like my video, and I see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.